Hi guys! Today we're making a pot holder gift for Father's Day. What you'll need is a pot holder. I bought this one from the dollar store. Your choice of paint colors. I'm using light blue and white, and paintbrushes. First, cover the hand with paint. Fully saturate the hand with paint so you get a nice, good handprint. Making sure the fingers are spread apart, firmly stamp the hand on the pot holder. And isn't that cute? The last step is to paint your message for Dad. On this pot holder, I'm simply painting Dad on it, but you could write whatever message you'd like. And there's your personalized Father's Day gift for Dad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more happy crafts.